That it. Did you just hit the microphone? High five. That was, I mean, like, don't throw stuff, but that was great aim. That was so good. Hi, family.
Hi, family.
Say hi, T.
Hi, T.
What it do?
I do, baby boo.
I love you. Daddy was in the store the other day and he saw something cool that he thinks he would have fun with, so I think you would have fun with it too. But he bought it for him. Do you want to see what it is?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let me get it.
Thank you. Whoa. It's inside.
It actually says what's inside. That's crazy. Yeah, so Lily discovered horrible videos on the internet of people unboxing eggs and stuff.
Open it.
And I thought she'd be excited.
Open it.
You ready to open it?
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Take off the top.
Whoa, it's that. It's that. I have to open it. Yeah, open it.
Okay, let's show everybody what's inside. You have this thing.
I have to
What color is
open
this?
it. Yellow. Ah!
Red. Yeah, I'd say it's red.
I have to open it.
And what color is this?
Blue.
And what color is this?
Green.
And what color is this? Nice.
Open it.
All right, you want to open this one?
Okay, I'll open this one.
Okay. Let's put these over here.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Oh, Simba. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, there's a little bowl. I thought this was just slime. I didn't realize I'd have to do stuff. Let's open up everything and then see what we're supposed to do, because I'm lost.
Yum.
Well, we're not going to eat this. We're going to open it. Oh, there we go.
Whoa!
Whoa! Uh-oh.
Oh, that's Play-Doh colors.
That is Play-Doh colors. I think it's slime, though.
It's slime though. Yay! Just slime.
There, it's slime, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more. Okay, this is cool now. We're cool now. Whoa!
So many.
So many.
So many slimes.
So many slimes.
This is slimes too.
Oh,
Big in
what
the
is
bubble.
this? Doesn't seem child friendly. Slime activator? What does that mean?
What's that?
What is this? What did I buy?
I gotta buy it. Whoa, what's that?
Are there instructions? Glue?
Wow. Shake.
We're gonna put this stuff aside because I don't think this is safe for children. I mean, I'm an adult and I would eat that.
Yum. It's yummy.
It's yummy? We're not eating this.
No.
No.
It's super squishy.
Is it super squishy?
Whoa. Slimy.
Let me squish it.
Oh. It's slime.
Oh. Which one's purple?
This one.
Okay.
What's that? Purple.
It's pretty. Ooh, this one's sparkly purple.
Ugly purple.
Sparkly purple? Oh gosh. It's everywhere.
I want pink.
You want pink?
Yeah, okay.
Daddy wants to be done with this already. You know, I said last time we'd have to buy a new table, but we're definitely gonna need a new table.
Okay, now we'll make this slime.
Okay. You go.
This is slime.
Slime.
It's slimy. Ew, gross. Yeah. Uh-oh, I made mess. I have to open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Let's open this slime.
Let's open this slime.
Ew.
Catch it.
Catch it. Uh-oh, step on me.
Step on me? Gold?
Gold.
Yeah. Not cold, gold.
Gold. Oh, now on this one. I can make it. I can make something this one. I can mix it out. I need help.
We need help with.
I made some mix some spoons.
You need a spoon to mix it?
Yeah, okay.
How about this one?
Okay. Make this one. Yummy. This is that.
Oh, yep.
That's so gross.
Yucky. This is a mess.
This is a mess.
A mess waiting to happen.
I don't open it.
You really want it?
Yeah. I don't open this. And yours one. I make this one. Don't open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay.
Do you want to show everybody how you've been fooling around lately?
Yeah.
It's me!
Antelope.
Yeah, so she's been saying antelope to make fun of me. It's me, Mario!
Ayo.
Yeah, Mario!
Antelope.
No!
That's slimy.
Oh gosh! Stop it. It's everywhere. This was maybe not a great idea.
Yeah, open it. I'll open this one.
How does slime work? If I mix the slimes, are they stuck together forever?
I want this one.
Really?
Okay. Let's open it. Woo! Yummy, slimy. Yeah. There we go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Are we supposed to be mixing these?
Yeah, okay.
We are? I just don't
There
know.
we go.
How do we take them apart?
Yeah.
Catch. Whoops. Catch. Oh.
There you go. This one.
Oh wait, there's more over here.
It's more over there. I want now more.
You want another more?
Yeah, okay.
How do you say more? Oh, well, I mean, yeah. I just kind of wanted to test your accent, but that's very good manners. Last one. Huh. Huh. Oh my gosh, I got stuck to the ceiling.
It's Texas.
Daddy has to go get a step ladder because he has to clean the ceiling.
Yeah, okay. I clean the ceiling.
Yep. Swiney.
Pretty loony.
Hold it. Pick it up. Whoa, you got muscles. That's sick. Oh, don't sniff it. Oh.
Yummy.
Get back here, get back here.
Again.
Whoops.
Peace.
Bye, family.
Bye, family.
It's me.
Thank you.
No, Mario. It's me. It's Mario. It's me. Mario. It's me, Mario. No, Mario. It's not an antelope. Then Mario. Mario.